Ooh, oh my. I'm getting ready to go and get my package from the DHL office because so let me get ready. Today I'm thinking I'm gonna try to use a brown eyebrow. Looks horrible, so I'm gonna remove it and put my usual black. Hey, naleo. I'm gonna clean my makeup table. Alafu nikaona ama kwanza nifanye makeup and then I clean later. So not exaggerated, the eyebrows are not looking like twins, not so bad, but yeah, just easy look, easy simple look. Now I'm gonna start cleaning my messed up makeup table. Done with all the cleaning, and I have very meenda kuchukua paketi sasa, my package. And then we can open and see what is inside there. Nimechukua package yangu, I've taken my package as you can see. So let's go home. Wow, this place is very far. It's near the airport. And these are their offices, so big. They have their planes there, like 3 airplanes or so. I'm here. I'm home. You know, here apples fall all over the place. You just go picking and eating. Oh, there's actually a garden somewhere near here. Not near here, but not far. In autumn, if you want apples, you go, they give you a bag, like plastic bag. Ukiingia unapewa plastic bag kama mbili. And then there is these 2 short trees, you go picking. And then this is how it looks like. It's like, you remember that sabuni ya kuoga? Cassons, the package look like that. I don't know what is here, so let's see. Oh, first we eat our apple. Damn, I thought I showed you guys when I was opening and even showing you like the name. I wasn't recording. And it comes with the manual. Yeah, but good you didn't miss because I haven't opened yet. Only this package. I thought I was recording. Sorry for that. I didn't want you to miss a thing. But since I saw the manual, I know what is it. Look what we got here. Oh my god, look at this color. This is like, I don't know how to say it. It's like real hair. So I've never seen a wig like this since I was born. Oh my god, I think I have to look for somebody who can cut for me this hairline, not hairline, like I thought they had already cut. Anyway, let me stop kidding. I knew what it was, but my friend bought this for me with own money, so it's a gift. Look the band, look inside, look at the band. Look at it, so big. Like these people stealing wigs in Nairobi, you cannot steal this one. And then I think you pay extra for this. I'm not so sure, the braids. And this is 20-inch. Oh my god. And you know this place where I told my friend to order this hair for me, celebrities goes there. This hair is not so cheap as you might think. I'm not trying to say what you think I'm saying, but it's a bit expensive. It's actually the most expensive hair I've ever worn, or I will ever. I don't know. Maybe if I get rich in future. So anyway. So, can you guys see? Can you see? Like it's so soft. It's like, look. It's like real own hair. And then I have this wig cap. This doesn't come with a wig. This I bought like 2 years ago for my other wigs. So I don't know if I'm gonna need this, because here, look inside how it looks. It's already a little bit thick here. Like, look, and the lace is transparent, like it matches your skin. Wait, let me show you guys. Like, look, like you can hardly see where it starts from if you wear it well. Oh, it's spoiling my... And it has baby hair. It's pre-plucked. You see, you don't have to pluck these. They have pre-plucked for you and made the baby hair. Like it comes ready. You only cut this extra lace, and you can even hold like ponytail. So let's try it. I think I'm gonna wear this first. I know I'm also supposed to cut this. I'm supposed to cut from here or this, but that I'll do later. So you see guys what I'm talking about? Like you can't tell where the scalp starts from. So if I cut here, of course this is excess, I'm gonna cut. So it just looks like my own hair, like my own head. Look, this line. It's well long enough for me. It's 20 inch. So let me try to fold this in and see how it can look. So you see, like I've tucked the lace inside, but I'm gonna cut it. This is just to show you guys how it looks like. This is the lace I have tucked inside, and these are the baby hairs. So you can just style them. Any way you want, anyway. But I just wanted to show you guys how, look. How perfect it is, and the bud is so firm, not tight. It's so firm and well tight. It's not like it can't get out easily. Yeah, you see, like it looks so real. You know, I've been seeing this on the internet, and I was wondering how celebrities, like where I bought this layer, or where my friend bought this hair for me, because I selected and then the friend just bought it. So, you know, I see people wearing this kind of hair, and then when you're removing, look, like you can't just tell like it's real. I mean, you think like they are removing their own hair or their head, because it looks so real. Look, like this is my normal blonde hair. So if I put up to here and then I cut this, it just looks like my own hair.
Oh my god, I love it, I love it, I love it so much. I can't wait to cut it. And then I'll do another video when I'm cutting it, and then I will show you guys how it is in foil. I don't know if I'm gonna put the link below where I bought this hair, because
anyway, maybe I'm gonna put in the next video. Bye guys, and have a good day. Have a wonderful day, and thank you for the support, for the continued support. And please don't forget to subscribe. If you want me to say where I bought this hair, I'll put the link down below. If you want to know how much I bought it, where I bought it, the shop I bought it, like this video, comment, share, subscribe, and on the next video I'll give all the details.